Hi, and welcome to this module. I am Chris's avatar. Based on Chris's inputs, we will explore steps and possibilities on what can happen once you complete this course. At the end of this course, you will have a strong foundation of knowledge. Ideally, you will be able to use that knowledge to plan and conduct important actions. This course has guided you through the key parts of the Integrated Solid Waste Management Framework. You explored the full chain of solid waste: waste generation, collection, transport, treatment, recycling, and final disposal, as well as the important cross-cutting aspects like governance, financing, and stakeholder engagement. But remember, being involved in solid waste management doesn't mean you have to do everything at once. Ask yourself, where do I fit in? Where does my work, my research, or my passion connect with the system? Where is action most urgently needed in my context? Choosing a place to start is powerful, and every part of the framework is crucial for a functioning system. Once you understand where you fit and what the system looks like, it's time to act. Ask yourself, what needs to change? Who needs to be involved? And most importantly, what can I do starting today? No action is too small. Here are some examples. If you are a student or researcher, find where your institution is active or where its knowledge could make a difference. This could be through technical research like composting and recycling innovations, or it can be through social research like public awareness, behaviors, policy, or economic research. Start a research project, join ongoing research studies, or suggest new waste management research topics at your university. If you are a consultant or professional, which elements of the Integrated Solid Waste Management Framework do you already support? And where can your expertise make an impact, like planning and design of waste disposal upgrading or training of waste workers on operating procedures? Offer your expertise to municipalities or NGOs. Small improvements in collection, recycling, or landfill management matter. If you work in government or an NGO, you might already have some ideas of weaknesses and possible improvements. Now you can dive deeper in assessing the different aspects of the service, exploring technical or governance issues. Make suggestions how to improve efficiency of the service, analyze and optimize cost expenditures and the use of existing infrastructure. Create initiatives to strengthen stakeholder engagement. Build new partnerships, apply and advocate for funding, and strengthen inclusive waste policies. If you are a concerned citizen, take a look at your community. Are there gaps or weaknesses in the waste system or services? For instance, irregular collection, illegal dumping, or lack of recycling opportunities? Talk to your neighbors, raise awareness on social media, organize cleanup events, or advocate for better services. Engage and drive for change. Improve your own waste management. Often, there are already possibilities to provide recyclables, but it might require some effort to identify these pathways. Start segregating your waste. With a home composting bin, you could treat your garden, food, and kitchen waste. Connect to community-based organizations or NGOs in your neighborhood or city and engage with and support their activities. Talk with your local leaders and suggest improvements and change. Spread the word to relatives, friends, and colleagues and motivate them to join to scale impact. Whatever your entry point, whatever you role, stay curious, stay committed. Use the tools and frameworks you've learned here to guide your way. Solid waste management is a critical and urgent issue. You as one person with knowledge are important to teach, inform, and make a change, and you are part of something bigger. The world urgently needs people who can turn knowledge into action. And remember that we are stronger working together towards our common goal of a cleaner, healthier, and more resource-efficient environment. Thanks for your attention and for your commitment.